Hi guys, Ali from BTA Motorsports here. Today I've got this beautiful FGF6 that we've currently done a full stage 3 upgrade on. I've just finished tuning this car. It's made 472 kilowatts at the wheels and just shy of 1,000 newton-meters of torque at the wheels. With this particular car, we've put in a Haltech Elite plug-in ECU. What that does, it allows us to run flex fuel, so we can run 98 and E85 or blend between both fuels. It's a really good ECU, gives us plenty of tunability on the car, and there's also a lot of features that we can add onto the car with this ECU. We run in the BTA Spec Turbocharger, a full exhaust system, and finished off with a process west intercooler and piping, along with the air induction and battery relocation. We've doubled the torque in this car. We're going from 545 newton meters to 1,022. Even with a bigger turbo, we've got no boost delay at all. The torque comes on instantaneous. So this car's going to feel really powerful on the road. For all your FPV service and performance requirements, don't hesitate to give us a call at BTA Motorsports. I'm Ali, and I'll see you next time.